You have the right to be rich. Main idea. Napoleon Hill opens this powerful book by stating that being rich is your natural right, just like the right to be happy, healthy, and free. Poverty is not a virtue. It's a limitation often created by fear, negative thinking, or societal programming. Key messages from Chapter 1. Riches are not evil. Ignorance is. There's nothing spiritual or noble about being poor. In fact, many people use poverty as an excuse for laziness or lack of ambition. Wealth, when earned honestly, is a symbol of service, creativity, and value delivered to others. Nature is abundant. You should be too. Look at nature. Everything grows in abundance. Trees, stars, water, seeds. Scarcity is unnatural. You were not born to live in lack. You were born with a mind that can create, and that creation can lead to prosperity.
The desire to be rich is natural. It's not selfish to want a beautiful home, financial freedom, comfort, or to give your family a better life. The desire for wealth becomes negative only when it is pursued through greed or at the cost of others. Money is a tool, not a master. Wealth gives you choices. It helps you serve better, live fuller, and express your potential. But you must control money, not be controlled by it. The first step is belief. You must start by believing that you deserve to be rich. Your mind must accept this truth before your reality reflects it. Reprogram your thoughts, remove guilt about money, and claim your right to prosperity. Napoleon Hill's quote, "It is your right to be rich. You are here to live, and the measure of your right to live is the extent to which you are able to live in abundance." Summary in one line. You were not born for lack or limitation. You were born for abundance. Believe it, claim it, act on it. The foundation of riches. Core message. Napoleon Hill emphasizes that faith is the starting point of all riches. Without faith, no dream can become a reality. Faith is the invisible force that connects your desires to the results you want in life. It is the foundation of wealth, success, and personal transformation. Key lessons. 1. Faith activates the power of your mind. Faith is not just a religious idea, it's a mental attitude. When you believe in your ability, in your purpose, and in your goals, your brain starts finding ways to turn those beliefs into reality. 2. Doubt kills dreams. Many people want wealth, but deep inside they don't believe they can achieve it. This inner doubt is what keeps them stuck in mediocrity. Doubt is the killer of destiny. Faith can be developed. You're not born with faith. It can be built through repetition of positive affirmations, surrounding yourself with positive people, and taking inspired action. 4. Fear is the enemy of faith. Fear of poverty, rejection, failure, or criticism stops people from progressing. The only way to build faith is to face fear and replace it with action and belief. 5. Faith leads to wealth. Whatever you truly believe, you begin to attract into your life. Your belief system determines how far you go. Faith plus purpose plus action equals results. Napoleon Hill's insight: faith is the only known antidote for failure. If you can build faith in yourself, your mission, and your purpose, nothing can stop you from becoming rich. One-sentence summary: faith is the mental foundation upon which all wealth is built. Without it, even the best plans fall apart. Autosuggestion, the medium for influencing the subconscious mind.
From Napoleon Hill's Your Right to Be Rich. Core message. Autosuggestion is the bridge between conscious desire and subconscious belief. It is the process of feeding your mind the thoughts, beliefs, and emotions that align with your goals, until your subconscious begins to act on them automatically. Key lessons. 1. You become what you constantly tell yourself. Your subconscious mind doesn't judge. It simply accepts repeated thoughts as truth. When you repeatedly tell yourself something with emotion and belief, your subconscious begins to accept it as fact and guides your behavior accordingly. Whatever you impress upon the subconscious will influence your entire life. 2. Repetition is power. The more often you repeat a clear and emotionally charged statement, the more it sinks into your subconscious. This is why affirmations, vision boards, and daily self-talk work when done with faith and feeling. 3. Thoughts are seeds. Autosuggestion plants the seed, and your subconscious is the soil. Whether you plant seeds of success or failure depends on the thoughts you feed your mind every day. Positive suggestions equals positive results. Negative suggestions equals fear, doubt, inaction. 4. Write and repeat your goal daily. Hill advises that you write down your definite purpose in life, along with the plan to achieve it, and repeat it aloud twice daily, once in the morning and once before bed, with full belief and emotional involvement. Example: I will earn 1 million rupees by December 31st, 2025 by offering valuable services in my business. I believe I will achieve this, and I will never quit. 5. Emotion is the activating force. Just saying the words isn't enough. You must feel the desire in your heart, imagine the outcome vividly, and speak with conviction. The subconscious reacts to emotion more than logic. Napoleon Hill's insight. Autosuggestion is the agency of control through which an individual may voluntarily feed his subconscious mind on thoughts of a creative nature. One-sentence summary. Autosuggestion is the tool that allows you to reprogram your mind, turning thoughts into beliefs and beliefs into results. Specialized knowledge, the key to personal power. From Napoleon Hill's Your Right to Be Rich. Core message. General knowledge is not enough to create wealth. Real power comes from specialized knowledge, focused, practical information that you apply in your specific field or business. This chapter teaches that success belongs to those who master something specific and use it intelligently. Key lessons. 1. Knowledge is not power. Applied knowledge is. Many people believe that having a lot of general information makes them powerful. Napoleon Hill says that's not true. Knowledge is only potential power. It becomes real power when organized and applied through definite plans. In short, smart action beats information overload. 2. Specialized knowledge creates value. To earn more, serve more. And to serve more, you need to be good at something specific. Whether you're in sales, writing, business, design, law, or engineering, mastering your niche makes you valuable. 3. You don't need to know everything, but you must organize the right knowledge. You can acquire specialized knowledge through personal experience, reading books, hiring or collaborating with experts,
joining mastermind groups, attending seminars or training. You don't have to be the expert in everything, but you must know how to find the knowledge you need and apply it. 4. Education never ends. Schooling is only the beginning. Lifelong learners, those who keep growing their knowledge, are the ones who stay ahead in their careers, finances, and influence. 5. Plan your learning with purpose. Don't collect random information. Ask yourself, what specific skills do I need to succeed in my goal? Where can I learn them? How will I apply them? Then create a study and action plan. Napoleon Hill's insight. Successful men in all callings never stop acquiring specialized knowledge related to their major purpose, business, or profession. One-sentence summary. General knowledge won't make you rich, but specialized, applied knowledge will.